guys, today we're doing an experiment. Hi everyone!
So Leah, this is bit hot water, just warm water, and this is cold water, okay? Okay, do you want to add some coloring, blue color into this one? That's it. Smooth. And red to this. Which one is the warm one? Yeah, this one is warm and this is
Cold.
it's cold, okay? That's what we're going to do. We're going to cover this and we're going to keep this on top of this one, okay? Okay. We slowly going to take this out and see. Does it mixing to each other?
No.
It just stays. What's water on top?
Hot water.
This is hot water. We put red to the hot water, and this is cold water. Okay? They are not mixing. Because the hot water is lighter than the cold water. That's why they are on top of. Okay, now let's see what will happen if we put cold water onto the top. What's happening?
Because blue.
It mixed, right? See, can you again see? It's like the red one goes to the top, the red, and the blue goes to the down.
Let's see what happens.
You want to try again?
It becomes blue. I see a blue table. Please subscribe.